Today I'm going to show you how you can trace a photo or a picture on Autodesk Sketchbook. Say I have this cat photo which I imported into the app that I want to trace. First of all, create a layer and position it on top of the photo layer. This is the layer which you want to be tracing on. Remember not to draw on the photo layer. Now the next step is to go to the photo layer to lower its opacity. Double-click on the layer to open up the layer functions. You can generally lower it down to around 15, so that the main outlines of the photo are visible, but you can still see the strokes that you make at the same time. Once you're happy with the opacity level, go to the blank layer and you can start tracing over the photo. Now with coloring, create a new layer and position it below the outline layer. And if you want to pick the color from the photo to add to your drawing, go to the photo layer, increase the opacity back to 100, and use the color picker from the color palette. Now I want to pick the eye color. Lower the opacity level again. And then start coloring in the coloring layer. Now I want to pick the color for its nose, so I'm repeating the same steps as before. And that's how you trace a photo.